Elon Musk just rolled out Grok 3, which he claims is the smartest AI on Earth, so I put it to the test, and the results are insane. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process for how to use Grok 3 to make passive income from affiliate marketing in the YouTube automation niche. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to grow, automate, and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video, because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. Step 1. Get to know Grok. Now, if you haven't heard of Grok yet, let me bring you up to speed. It's a free AI model created by Elon Musk's company, XAI, and it's supposed to be more advanced than most other AI chatbots. Unlike ChatGPT or Claude, Grok is designed to be more opinionated, provide real-time data, and generate content that other AI models might refuse to create. Not only can it write articles, but it can also generate images and even help with video creation. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool if you know how to use it properly. Step 2. Find strong affiliate offers. First things first, we need something to promote. Not all affiliate programs are worth your time. Some have low commissions, others don't convert well. Instead of combing through the internet to find the best affiliate programs, you can actually ask Grok to find the best affiliate programs for you. It does real-time research, which seriously impressed me. I came across this tool called StoryShort from Grok's recommendations. This AI software creates automated short-form content, and they offer a 30% recurring commission. That means, if someone signs up through your link and pays for the service every month, you get 30% of that payment every single time. That's what makes this business model so powerful. Recurring commissions stack up over time, allowing you to make more money without constantly chasing new customers. Step 3. Create content. Now that we have something to promote, the next step is creating content that actually gets people to click your link. This is where Grok comes in again. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AI is expecting it to read their mind. If you just type in, "Write an article about StoryShort," you'll get something generic, robotic, and unconvincing. That's why using detailed prompts is super important. The better your prompt, the better the output. For this example, I can use a prompt like this. Write a 2,000-word blog post reviewing StoryShort AI. Include key and helpful points. The aim of this post is for me to promote my StoryShort affiliate link subtly. Use clear, easy-to-understand language and add a little personality. I'll hit enter, and Grok is generating something that sounds honestly incredible and superhuman-like, even though there is some room for improvement. For example, I can tell Grok to edit what it wrote by saying, "Don't use cheesy or cliché phrases, and add more detail." Now this is pretty perfect, and Grok has even included a place for me to insert my affiliate link to promote. Now that we have a solid piece of content, it's time to start distributing it in different formats. Step 4. Publish your article. The first place we're going to upload our Grok article is on Medium. Medium is a free blogging platform that gets millions of visitors every month. A lot of people underestimate how powerful this site is for driving traffic. And what I love about this is that you don't need a following to start getting views. Go to the Medium website, sign in, and click Write Article. Paste in the blog post that Grok generated, format it nicely, and every time the AI tool you're promoting is mentioned, hyperlink it to your affiliate link. That way, when people read your article and want to try the tool for themselves, they'll click your link, and you get paid. Step 5. Turn your post into a video. To turn our article post into a video, the first thing we need is a script specifically for short-form videos. Grok can do this for us. Go back to the same chat where Grok wrote the article for you. Now, give a prompt like this. Turn this into a 60-second transcript. I will make a short-form video from it. Make it punchy, slightly controversial, and easy to understand. Don't make it cheesy or salesy. Now, instead of showing your face on camera, we're going to use an AI-generated avatar. Grok can actually create one for you. You can ask, generate images of potential young, male, casual avatars, who I can animate to say the text for me. They should have a YouTuber vibe about them. These look super impressive. Of course, you can add more specific details if you have something specific in mind. Pick the one that looks best and save it. To make the avatar even more engaging, we can animate it using a site called APOB AI. Log in, click on Train a new model, then click on Image to Video. Now upload your Grok image. Click Save, and then Generate. You can also select Ultra for the highest quality before downloading the video. Now take the short-form video script from earlier and go to 11 Labs to generate a realistic voiceover. Click on Text-to-Speech, paste in your script, choose a voice, and click Generate Speech. Download the voiceover file and save it for the next step. Next, we'll need visuals. You can create engaging animations using a site called AutoAE. It has pre-made templates that you can customize. Scroll through the templates, pick one you like, then click Customize and type in your text. You can also add a background image. Then, download the final animation. Now, it's time to put everything together in CapCut. Go to CapCut and start a new project. Since we're making short-form content, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Upload your AI animations, voiceover, and any additional images you want to include. Arrange them in the timeline so everything flows smoothly. To make the video more engaging, add captions. CapCut has an automatic captioning feature. Just click Auto Captions and let it generate the subtitles for you. Customize the font, size, and animation to make it look good. Once you're happy with the final video, export it in 1080 pixels and start uploading it across multiple platforms, post it on Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even Facebook Reels. Make sure to include your affiliate link in your bio, in the descriptions, and as a pinned comment where you can. The more places you post, the more chances you have of people clicking your affiliate link. And that's it. By following this strategy, you're using AI to do most of the heavy lifting. Grok generates the content, AI tools create the visuals and voiceovers, and all you have to do is put everything together. Once your content starts getting traction, people will start clicking your links, signing up for the AI tools you're promoting, and generating commissions for you, even while you sleep. The more content you create, the more traffic you drive. And because many of these affiliate programs offer recurring commissions, your earnings can grow exponentially over time. If you have any questions about how to grow your YouTube channel, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. As you can see here, our members go through the 7-day YouTube Starter Challenge and learn how to launch their first faceless YouTube video in just 7 days. One of the most popular free courses here is a YouTube Starter Blueprint that teaches the quickest ways to get to your first $1,000 per month, as well as the tools I use to grow this channel to over $500 per day. This community is a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. What do you think about Grok 3? Have you tried it yet? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.